Unlocking business insights. Elevate your sales with data analysis. Dear CEO, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Mohammed Farhan, and I am a seasoned data analyst with a passion for transforming raw data into actionable insights that drive business growth. I have been following your company's success closely and have been impressed by the strides you've made in the industry. In today's competitive landscape, data is the driving force behind informed decision-making. As a proficient data analyst adept in both Python and SPSS, I specialize in extracting, analyzing, and visualizing data to uncover patterns, trends, and opportunities that can significantly impact your sales strategy. Here's how I can contribute to your company's growth. 1. Data collection and scraping. I have a proven track record of efficiently collecting relevant data from various sources, enabling a comprehensive view of market trends, customer preferences, and competitor activities. 2. In-depth analysis. Leveraging advanced statistical techniques, I can provide you with thorough insights into customer behavior, purchase patterns, and product performance, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. 3. Customized visualization. Through interactive data visualizations, I can help you grasp complex information at a glance, facilitating a deeper understanding of your business landscape. 4. Actionable recommendations. Based on data-driven insights, I will offer practical suggestions to optimize your sales strategy, streamline processes, and enhance customer engagement. 5. Collaborative approach. I believe in transparent communication and collaboration. Together, we can refine your business approach to align with the ever-evolving market dynamics. I am confident that my expertise can contribute significantly to enhancing your business's bottom line. If you are interested in exploring how data analysis can empower your sales efforts, I'd be delighted to discuss further at your convenience. Feel free to reach out to me via email at quadjafaran123@gmail.com or connect with me on WhatsApp at +92301 750-4302. I would be honored to schedule a conversation to delve deeper into how we can drive your company's growth trajectory through data-driven insights. Thank you for considering. Yours truly, Mohammed Farhan.